Hi everyone, today I'm going to help you to identify situations when waves constructively interfere. To begin, I'll introduce you to different definitions and what waves are. As you can see, I have my whiteboard here, but because of the camera angle and the way the camera is set up, I have to write it in the reflective way so you can read the words. Alright, let's see if we can do this. To start off, we have drawn a period of wave. And so, to begin, waves are repeated disturbance that is created by a source and they carry energy. Today, we'll be focusing on mechanical waves, which involves the motion of a substance as they go through a medium. For example, the medium for ripples would be water. So this is a wave, and this single disturbance will be called pulse. And the lowest point on a wave is called trough. And then the highest point on a wave is crest. An amplitude would be the distance from either the baseline to the trough or the distance from the baseline to a crest. So this would be called amplitude. Those are the definitions. And now let's go right into interference. Interference plays out in a specific way when two waves collide. For constructively interfered waves, two waves or the crest of two waves interfere one another, and they form a higher or increased amplitude right here, and then they become the same again. So there's a demonstration for that. We shall show you right now. So we can see the increased amplitude right there. Yep. And how do you determine that from a destructively interfered waves situation? So destructive interference happens when a crest and a trough interfere one another, and they kind of come to like a neutral amplitude, because this is the original height of the crest. This is the original height of the trough, and when they interfere, they kind of form like a smaller or neutral amplitude, and they end up with kind of like switching sides. So there's a demonstration for that as well. Okay, as you can see, they start off different and they kind of switch. So the crest and the trough becoming trough and the crest. So that's how you can identify it or differentiate it between constructive interference and destructive interference. To wrap up, I want to mention both constructive constructive and destructive interference situation that happens when two ripples collide. So say here's a ripple. The straight line represents the crest, the dotted line represents the trough, and here's another ripple. Okay, as you can see, at this point, the crest interferes the crest, and these are the points when they constructively interfere. And as you can see at this point, the crest interferes with a trough. Crest, trough, crescent, trough, crescent, trough. These are points when they destructively interfere. So that's another way you can identify and differentiate constructively interference from destructively interfered waves. Thank you. Bye.